In this Burnout Extra, we're going to do an oil change on a 2015 Chevy Colorado. And this is going to be very similar for the surrounding years to 2015 for this year, make, and model of the Chevy Colorado. So like I said, we're going to replace the oil and the oil filter in this video and follow along for the correct steps to do so. The first thing that you're going to want to do is to pop the hood and release the oil fill cap that's on the top of the engine. That will be on the right side of the engine, and there's just a cap that you want to loosen. And then actually the oil filter is also at the top, so you want to loosen that after. Once you've taken off the oil fill cap and taken out the oil filter, it's going to look very similar to this. The filter is going to be inside this kind of cylinder here. So once you've pulled both of those things out, you can actually get the car off the ground, whether that be with a jack or a lift, and then look for the oil drain plug, because you want to leave this out for now in order for the oil to drain through the entire system. So put this aside and let's take care of the oil. Next, you're going to need to release the oil drain plug, which is going to be a 15 millimeter. If you can't get it with one wrench, just double up the wrenches, and oil will come out once it is pretty loose. Apparently these shoot to the side. We did this last time and it shot all the way to the side. So with the oil filter cartridge housing, there's actually a little O-ring here, and this will need to be replaced, and the oil filter should come with one of these O-rings. So you can just pull this off. So the oil filter should come with one of these, and this you can just slide on. Just make sure you have it in the right place. So it's gonna sit right in this bottom groove. You can see it fall into place there. And then it is a good idea to take a little bit of old oil and just kind of wipe it around this new O-ring so that it seals a little bit better. Then after that, your oil filter cartridge is going to want to slide right onto this circle knob there. So you just put that straight in like so. Should pop right into place, and then that's good to go to be installed back into the top. But first, let's put back in the oil drain plug. When tightening the oil drain plug, you want to make sure that you don't over tighten this. It's something that you don't want to strip out. So the best thing to do is take just one wrench and use not all of your strength, but get it nice and snug so that you know it won't back out. But like I said, you're not stripping out the bottom of the oil pan. So we're good to go down here on the oil drain plug. Now it's time to lower the car and put back in the filter and fill it with oil. Just like the oil drain plug, you want to make sure that the oil filter cap is not over tightened. Once again, that's just threaded in. So get it nice and snug and make sure that it sits in correctly. And then now it's time to get a funnel and pour in your oil. The 3.6 liter gas Chevy Colorado, specifically from 2015, takes about 6 quarts of oil, 5.5 to 6 quarts of oil. So I'm going to take a funnel and then pour it in now. And what I'm going to do is run the car for about 10 seconds, then come back and check it on the dipstick. So once you've poured in the oil and once again ran the car, check it on the dipstick and you should be good to go. That's going to be all for this Burnout Extra. Be sure to check out more videos like this. We have tons of oil changes coming out, as well as simple repairs that you can do yourself. We also have tons of entertaining content also on the channel. So if you want to see more, definitely like, subscribe, comment anything else that you might have for a new idea, and we'll try to include it on our channel. But once again, thank you for watching. We'll hope to see you next time. Raise the hood. Yeah, raise the roof.
You look so stupid.
That's a whoa. I'm just kidding.
Why did you just